Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use golden acorn. First, let's understand what it is. A golden acorn is a specialized device for advanced data analysis, featuring a central processor, 2 input ports, and a clear display. To start, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the indicator light turns green. This initiates the system, preparing it for its primary functions. Now let's get your golden acorn ready. Make sure the device has a full charge. A solid green light confirms this. Next, connect your data source to one of the 2 input ports on the side. After connecting, navigate to the System menu and select Diagnostic Check to ensure all components are functioning optimally. This quick check takes about 10 seconds. With your golden acorn activated, it's time to master its core functions. Use the directional pad to navigate the main menu and select your desired operation. To begin a data scan, simply press the large central action button. The device will process the information, and results will typically appear on the display screen within 15 seconds, providing immediate insights. To get the most out of your golden acorn, explore the advanced settings found in the Options menu for customized analysis. For maintenance, clean the 2 input ports monthly with a soft, dry cloth to ensure optimal data flow. Should you encounter any issues, a soft reset can often resolve them. Simply hold the power button for 10 seconds until the device restarts. This keeps your acorn running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.